Hey there, Supercoder! Today we're going to create a super fun game, and I like to call it Mouse Run. Sounds cool, right? Alright, let's get started! For this game, we need a few sprites. First, of course, we need a mouse. You can draw it yourself or upload one. Totally your choice. Next, we need 2 cat hands and some cheese. All of these are easy to draw, or you can upload them if you want. Okay, cool. Now let's jump into the coding part. First, we're going to code the control pad. For that, we need a black circle. Let's name this sprite Control Pad. Now add another costume to the same sprite, a small white circle. This white circle is very important because we will move it, and based on its movement, our mouse will move. Cool idea, right? At the start of the game, we want only the black circle to show. So grab the block switch costume to black and click it. Yes, now we only see the black circle. Don't forget to add when green flag clicked on the top. Now let's create a clone of this sprite. Grab the block Create Clone of Myself and click it. The clone is created, but we want the control pad to look like a black circle with a white circle on top. So here's the trick. Use When I Start as a clone, then add switch costume to white. We still can't see it clearly, right? No problem. Grab Go Forward 1 layer. Nice! Now we can see both circles. For a better visual look, let's add a ghost effect. Under Switch Costume to Black, add Set Ghost Effect to 60. Duplicate that block, place it under Switch Costume to White, and change the value to 25. Click it. Ooh, that looks much better. Now let's create a variable called base. This variable will store the original position of our control pad. Under When Green Flag Clicked, set base to the name of our sprite. This way, the clone always knows where it should return. Now, inside When I Start as a clone, add Go to Base. And because the white circle should always stay inside the black circle, wrap this inside a forever loop. Right now, we can't really control it yet, so let's fix that. Create a variable called Stick Power. This will tell us how far the white circle is pulled from the black circle. Inside the forever loop, add Wait Until Mouse Down. Then add Repeat Until Mouse Not Down. Inside that loop, add Go to Mouse Pointer. Test it out. Uh-oh, the white circle goes outside and snaps back. We don't want that. To get the correct direction, grab Point Towards Mouse Pointer, but instead of mouse pointer, use base. Then add Turn 180 degrees. Perfect! Now create another variable called Stick Direction. Set Stick Direction to Direction. This stores the angle we're pointing in. Create another variable named Stick Power. Set Stick Power to Distance to Base. Now create one more variable called Max Stick. Click and drag the white circle inside the black circle and check the stick power value. Let's say it shows 25. So we set max stick equals 25. Now add an if condition. If stick power greater than max stick, move max stick minus stick power steps. Set stick power to max stick. Outside the if block, add set stick power to stick power divided by max stick. Test it out. Now let's connect this control pad to the mouse. Go to the mouse sprite's coding area. Now grab the block point in direction, and inside that add the variable stick direction. Click it. See that? Our mouse is now pointing exactly in the direction of the stick. Cool, right? But we don't want this to happen just once. We want it to keep updating. So grab a forever block and wrap the point in direction block inside it. Perfect. And yes, don't forget to add when green flag clicked on the top. Now click and move the stick. Wow! Our mouse direction is changing smoothly based on the stick direction. Next, let's make the mouse move. Grab the block move 10 steps and place it inside the forever loop. Uh-oh, where's our mouse going? No worries, we can fix that. But before fixing it, let's replace that 10 steps with our variable stick power. That way, the more we pull the stick, the faster the mouse moves. Now, just to be sure where our mouse is, let's place it properly. Grab a go-to block and set it to the center position. Click it. Okay, perfect. Now we can clearly see our mouse. One more thing, the movement feels a little slow. So let's add a multiply operator inside the move block. For example, move 2 times stick power steps. Click the green flag and try it out. Wow! The mouse moves smoothly and naturally using our control pad. That's it, Supercoder! We'll see you with the part 2 of the mouse game. Happy coding, and bye!